Good evening. Today is the 19th of June 2025. Now is almost 10 p.m. from where I am. So today we're going to talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin, as we can see here, it's been on a gradual uptrend. This is a weekly chart. It's been on an uptrend. So during this uptrend, there is a lot of ups and downs along the way. So the play that we can do on this Bitcoin is avoid buying when that is about time to reverse. So if let's say you try to buy here and then you hold it all the way down here, this is weekly chart by the way. So you hold here from in late December 2024 and it only starts changing in April, going upwards, late April. So no point holding for 4 months and then wait for next move upwards. So right now, the same thing is happening. You can see that after Bitcoin starts moving upwards in late April, you can see that it has reached a point where momentum appears to be slowing down. So it's not a very good area to buy in. It is more advisable to be selling instead. So if you look at Bitcoin and you think that you want to buy in or anything, just expect that there's some kind of pullbacks happening soon. In fact, Bitcoin can even pull down others cryptocurrencies as well. So be aware that if you're buying Bitcoin or buying other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum or any others, be aware that when Bitcoin falls, all will fall together with it. So let's check it out. BTCUSD US dollar. Okay. So as you can see, the momentum appears to be slowing down here as well. So it's most likely going to hit this area. Momentum is down. So Ethereum is also the same thing. We'll be facing some kind of headwinds soon. So back to Bitcoin. If you're planning to buy Bitcoin, wait for the next couple of months before buying like this kind. When the momentum slows down on the downside, then you go in. Do not try to pick the top here because it's most likely to reverse. And if you enter here, it will be very dangerous. So daily chart, it shows that a lower high. This is the main neckline. If it breaks down here, expect prices to go down. First initial stop will be testing this area, which is also here. Oh, should be up a bit here. So it will be retest this area first. If this area fails to hold, then you expect to go down furthermore. But let's check out the weekly chart. Will it fall down more? We won't know because this is a very strong support, resistant turn support area. So even if it comes down, it's most likely to be supported by this area, which is somewhere around here. So yeah, Bitcoin will come down, but it doesn't mean that it will break this moving average and crashes all the way down to 20,000. No, it's not going to happen. So it's most likely to pull back maybe to 80,000 or 70,000 at max if it's supported. So daily chart, you can see that this is the neckline. So if it breaks this neckline, expect a downward trend because it already shows that weakness here. And then also if you check out the line chart, this one. So all you have to do line chart is very easy. Just try to put as many bottom points to it. You don't really have to put it exactly over touching the line. So anywhere near it will be good enough, because what you are planning to do is to look for a major change of trend like this one. This is the uptrend, death of an uptrend. So when uptrend is dead, you'll go sideways to slightly downwards, like this kind of a channel. So let's draw a channel instead. So if it's a channel, this one. So if it is a channel like this, so expect prices to go down here, then maybe a little bit bounce upwards. If it's a perfect channel, it will bounce back up to here and then goes back down. So but instead of a perfect one, I don't think it will be perfect. Nothing's perfect. It's most likely to be downwards instead. So let's try draw it here. Is it possible? Yeah, something like that. So if it's an upward trend, just draw a simple line channel here, so you can know when to take profit and when to exit. When it's still following the channel, it will break out of the channel eventually. So do not expect a channel to be lasting forever. It will break out. So Bitcoin will be coming down. How much we won't know, but expect to be a couple thousands, or maybe even up to, if it breaks down all the way down here, will be 104, about 10,000 points, $10,000. So it's quite a steep dive down, but it's not going to happen in one day. I think it should be a gradual collapse all the way down, maybe in a couple of weeks or even months. It might happen. So hourly chart already shows that there is a lot of weakness here. You see, most of the time is under the moving average. So indicates that in the shorter term is very negative. So yeah, even this all the lower time frame shows is very negative. See, 15 minutes also is under. So everything it shows here that is very negative. It should have a pullback, immediate pullback. So how far will it go is most likely to be supported this area. So if it's supported here, expect prices to go all the way down here. Maybe some kind of consolidation. Maybe it might even break down a bit before going back up to flush out the stop loss, people that have placed their stop loss here. So this might happen, one of the possible scenarios. So yeah, this is Bitcoin. We try to look at more objectively on how to trade Bitcoin. If you're planning to be a long-term Bitcoin holder, expect some kind of price move downwards, then you can buy in these points. So and then when the prices go up here, you can sell when the momentum slows down, like here. So you can actually capture this piece of meat here. We won't capture all of it, and most is impossible to capture all of it. So try to capture the huge chunk of it is good enough. So imagine you start buying around 60,000 level, 62,000 level, and then you manage to sell it about 100,000 level. Oh, that's good. About 40,000 per Bitcoin. So you're making quite a lot of money. So just like here, when it pulls down here and you start accumulating, when the downward momentum slows down, it just hold it for a few months, wait for it to go all the way up here, and then take profit when the momentum starts slowing down. This is a very good passive income actually. So a very passive way of trading. Just wait for slow down. So far it is still pointing upwards, so this might go here and then come back down. So how far will it go? It might retest this one. So yeah, this is Bitcoin. So if you have any question, just click on the comment below and ask some questions. If not, just check out my older videos, spend some time listening to what I've said in the past. and check out my newest videos as well. So yeah, good night.